I greet you all. Welcome to Sussex Lottery. Okay, so this Friday Bonanza. I see this current plan. So let's try it. If you have money, try it. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's the game. All right. So it's a third time move, but let's see if it will work. Event 868 Friday Bonanza. Event 868. This is the first move. You meet 70. The first move started from event 860, that is in 2024. You meet 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks. The 70 should move towards second box. Okay. Like I said, this is the first move. So let's go to the second move. The second move started from event 877, 2025. You meet what? 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let the 70 move towards second box. Okay, second box winning. Okay, come to the third one. You meet 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 70 should move towards second box winning. Okay, now let's go to the first one. The first one that the 70 moved toward to the second box. We are on this event. Okay, the game is playing a certain addition with a different two shore. So now first let me go to the two shore. After this happened like this, the following week, the number on top of the 70, the number lapping the 70 at the second box. Okay, this 70 that moved to the second box, the number lapping it, you subtract the number from the 70. So 29 from 70, it will give you what? 41. So the 41 should move to what? First box. Let it play with what? 80 at second box. Okay, that's the two short. 41, 80. Now the second one, this number that moves 6 weeks to a fourth box. This is the event. Okay, now you come here, the number lapping the 70 second box like this, you subtract it from the 70, it will give you what? 45 from 70, it will give you what? 25. Okay, the 25 is supposed to drop in what? First box. It moved to what? First box machine, and let it play with what? 80 constant figure. You see how the game is for this lotto. You know, sometimes the two shall move to machine, some they will come to winning. So the third one to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have to subtract this 40 from the 70. That will give you what? 30. 30. Okay, 30. 40 from 70 will give you a 30. Sorry, 30. Okay, and the 30 should play with what? 80. 80. Okay, even though the 80 is dropping at what machine, but you can see the first one that happened over here. When the number was subtracted from the 70, it dropped in what? Winning, and play with what? 80. The second one, it dropped in what? Machine, and play with what? 80. So the third one, it is possible for the two of them to come to what? Winning side. You understand? That is, if it will drop, it can come to winning. That's too sure. The 30, 80. Okay, now let's look at the two show again. Another two show on this same event. And this, they are playing with what? Addition 106. The first one I played, it played with what? 45, 61. That will give you what? Addition 106. The second one I played over here, the 45 went minus of 3 to what? 42. And the 61 went minus of 3 to what? 64. That will give you the same addition 106. Okay, so the third one, the 42 should go minus of 3 again to what? To 39. And then the 64 should go plus of what? 3. That will give you what? 67. That will be what? 39, 67. 39, 67. That will give you addition 106. Okay, so this is the plan for today. And also this same game now over here, the 70 is moving with some moving numbers. Okay, yeah, there are 4 numbers that move together a lot. Okay, that is what? 32, 14, and 70, then 63. Okay, 32, 14, 73. That's the moving numbers. Even this one, the 70 repeated and play with what? With the 63. When you come here to You will see it over here. It dropped the 32 with the 70 and then the 63 as 3 direct over here. So the following, the 14 came to what? Machine. You understand? So over here too, we dropped the 70 and then a 14. So it left it what? 32, 32 and what? 63. It may pick one. So that's the game for today. Friday Bonanza. 3080, 6739. So this put together making best for the 3263 is also a too short on its own, so you can try it as separate too short. But this is the best 6. This is the best for Friday Bonanza. I wish you good luck. Bye.